So this is the first time I've made cream puffs, so I thought I'd share this little clip with you. So I just took the first batch out of the oven. They turned out pretty nice, all kind of golden brown there. So I'm about to pipe a second cookie sheet full of these, and stay tuned if you'd like to see how I do that. To the end here. See if I can get one more out. And I just take a little egg white to brush on the top. This helps them to be golden brown when they come out. There we go, we'll pop those in the oven. Hi, so I've got the second batch of my cream puffs out of the oven, and I'm going to make a chocolate ganache to fill them. And I don't know if you've made one of those before or not. This is probably the third or fourth time I've made it. It's really easy, and you just need a heavy cream, like whipping cream. This one's 33% milk fat, so that's heavy cream, and you just need about a half a cup of that, a bag of chocolate chips, and a little bit of butter for the end of this. But I'm gonna go heat up my cream, and then we'll come back and put this together. Okay, so I've added the steamed whipped cream to the chocolate chips, and the important part here is that you let it sit for 3 minutes without touching the mixture. So now I'm ready to start with my whisk and whisking it. And this is where it'll all come together. First you're thinking, is this gonna work? But then as you're going along, you can see it getting all nice and coming together there. And if you touch this before, you know, the 3-minute mark, you could risk this maybe not working out as well. It won't be as smooth. So there we go. It's nice and creamy. And then the longer, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to this, just like a half a teaspoon or so. And then you just wanna let it sit, and it'll thicken up a bit more. And then we'll be ready to pipe into our cream puffs. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I actually changed it up. I'm gonna fill the cream puffs with straight whipping cream. What I did is take a little knife like this and just make a little X in the bottom. And I did that on most of them now, I think. And then I've got whipping cream in just a Ziploc bag. Usually I have disposable bags, but I've used them all up. So I'm gonna just pop that in there and then just fill it up. You can sort of feel it as it's being filled up. And then I just gonna dip the tops into the chocolate ganache like this. And then comes out pretty nice like that. So that's the process I'm doing. I'll just do a couple more, and then you can find lots of these recipes on YouTube. Lots of different chefs and bakers have done recipes like this. I think this exact recipe that I used for these cream puffs was a Martha Stewart recipe. So that, and I'll show you again, just dip it into the ganache. Just kind of wiggle it off. And if you've never used the ganache before, this is really nice to do on top of cupcakes, and you know, it would be really nice on a bundt cake. And there's lots of different ways you can use it. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and something a little different that I don't normally do. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.